Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online math video class. In my last video class, I tried to explain about the topic that is chapter 1, shares and dividends. I hope you go through the topic and try to make a good concept about that topic. Today, I would like to explain some question based on that topic. That is the exercise first, question number first. The question is, an article is marked at rupees 15,000. A dealer sells it to a consumer at a 10% profit. If the rate of GST is 12%, then find the first one, the selling price excluding tax of the article. The second one, the amount of tax under GST paid by the consumer. And the third one, the total amount paid by the consumer. Okay, here means the marked price of the article is given. The marked price here, the marked price of the article is given, that is 15,000 rupees, and the dealer sells it to consumer, at 10% profit, and the rate of GST is also given, that is 12%. It means here the selling price of the article we have to find. Then the first question, the selling price excluding tax of the article is equal to, that will be 15,000 rupees, 15,000, and plus its profit also, that will be plus 10% of 15,000. 10% of 15,000. Its value will be 15,000 rupees plus 10% means 10 by 100 into 15,000. Okay. Now double zero cancel, and here it will be 15,000 plus 1500 means 1500 profit. It means here the profit will be rupees 1500. Profit will be rupees 1500. It means it will be rupees 16,500 rupees. 16,500. Here 15,000 it's a cost price, means, and amount of profit, that is 10%. Then the total value will be 16,500 rupees. This is the answer of the first question. Now the second question is the amount of tax under GST paid by the consumer. Actually, the consumer take the article in 16,500 rupees. Therefore, consumer had to pay the GST of this much. Okay. Therefore, the amount of tax under GST paid by the consumer will be first 12% of this much. Okay. So the amount of tax under GST paid by the consumer, that is 15%. The rate of GST is 12. That will be 12% of cost price. The 12% of cost price is how much? 16,500. It will be 12 by 100 into 16,500. Here 20 cancel, and now 12 5s are 60, carry 6, and 12 6 are 72, and 6 78, carry 7, and 12 1s are 12, and 7 and 90. Its value will be 1,980 rupees. This is the amount of tax which consumer will give as tax, as GST. Now the third one is the total amount paid by the consumer. The third one, total amount paid by consumer. Here consumer has to pay the money 16,500. This is the money of the article, means amount of article, value of the article plus GST of this article. So GST of this value is 1,980 rupees. Then we have to add 16,500 plus 1,980 rupees. And finally its value will be here 0, 0 and 8, and after that 9 and 5, 14, carry 1, and here 1 and 6, 7 and 1, 8, and here 1, means 18,480 rupees. You should add once again 0 here, and 8, 0 will be 8, and 9 and 5 will be 14, and 4 carry 1, and 8 and 1 9, and 8 9 1 10 6, like this. So in this way you can find this. Now let us see the second part of the question. Second question of the exercise, that is, a shopkeeper buys goods worth rupees 4,000 rupees, means this is the 4,000 rupees the cost of the article, that's good, and sells these at a profit of 20%, means profit is 20% to a consumer in the same state. Same state means this is the intra-state. This is the condition of intra-state, and if GST is charged at 5%, then find the selling price excluding tax of the goods. Second, CGST paid by the consumer, and the third, SGST paid by the consumer, and the total amount paid by the consumer. Okay, this is the question. So here the shopkeeper and consumer, and here consumer. Actually it's a marked price. Marked price is how much? That is rupees 4,000 rupees, 4,000, and profit is given, profit which is equal to 20%. Okay, since this is a matter of same state, therefore here it is given that rate of GST is equal to 5%, and since this is the matter of same state, therefore CGST will be half of the GST, that is 5/2%, and SGST is equal to also 5/2%. Remember, when the this is the condition of same state. In the case of same state, the rate of GST will be divided in two equal parts, just like as CGST and SGST, 5/2% and 5/2% equal. Okay. The first question is the selling price excluding tax of a goods. So here simply selling price is equal to how much? Total amount 4,000 and plus how much? 20% of that, means 20% of 4,000. 20% of 4,000. Then it will be here 4,000 plus 20/100 into 4,000. Here 00 fancy, and it will be 4,000 and plus 4 to the 800. That will be 4,800. Okay, 4,800 means 4,800. Yes, this is the selling price of the goods. Means 4,800 will be cost price for the consumer, but selling price for the shopkeeper, including the profit. Okay, it means amount of profit is how much? Amount of profit will be 800. Getting it? Now let us see the second part of the question. Second part of the question. CGST paid by the consumer. CGST paid by the consumer means the total cost of the article, the total cost of the goods, the total cost of the goods is 4,800 rupees, and CGST paid by the consumer. CGST is how much? The rate of CGST is 5/2%, and consumer will pay the CGST at their cost price. The cost price for the consumer is 4,800. Actually, the cost price of consumer 4,800 is the selling price for the shopkeeper. Okay, so therefore CGST paid CGST paid by the consumer. CGST paid by the consumer, that will be 5/2% of 4,800. Okay, now 5/2, and at the place of percentage what we write? 1/100 into 48. Okay, this is cancelled and 2 to the 2. Now 5 4 the 20, carry 2, and 5 to the 10 onto 2. 120 rupees. Means the consumer have to pay 120 rupees as a CGS. As okay. Now the third one. SGST paid by the consumer. SGST paid by the SGST paid by consumer. Paid by consumer. This is also the same 5/2% of 4,800 rupees. If you solve, you find that the SGST will be same like the CGST, and that is 120 rupees. Okay, 120. It means consumer has to pay total 120 means 240 rupees as GST. Getting? Now what is the use of this 2040 rupees, 120 here and 1,120 here? So means 240 rupees. What is the use of this? It means it will be used in the next question, that total amount paid by the consumer. The fourth one, total amount paid by consumer. Total amount paid by consumer is how much? That is the total cost price including the profit, that is 4,800 rupees plus tax, GST. Means GST under central government and state government, or simply we can write GST. And what is the amount of GST? 120 for SGST and 120 for CGST. And if we include both, it will be 240. Now if we add it, then it will be here 0, 0 and 4, 4 and 8 to 10, 31 and 4 and 1, 5. It means the consumer had to pay 5,040 rupees for this goods. Okay, 5,040 rupees for this good. This is the first two questions of the exercise first. Like this way, you can solve some question from the example also. Only two questions today I will explain. Next day I will explain some more questions related to the exercise first. So it's my suggestion that first of all you should solve at least 5 example questions. 5 example questions and 5 exercise question which is of exercise first. It means you have to do 10 questions. 5 questions from the example and 5 questions from the exercise first. The next 3 questions means out of first 5 questions to already solve. The next 3 questions will be based on this. If the question is something extra, then you should take the help of example. Okay. If you still have any doubt in a theoretical portion or in these 2 questions, you can comment in comment section, or you can give your feedback through the campus. Thank you.